I have often told you stories about the way I lived a life a drifter, waiting for a day when I take your hand and sing you songs that maybe you would say, come lay with me and love me, and I would surely stay. But I feel I'm growing older, and songs that I have sung echo in a distance, like the sound of a windmill going round. I guess I'll always be a soldier for